What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got behind me a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. This has got a 350 V8 under the hood, paired with an automatic transmission, air conditioning car, factory AC that actually works. It's beautiful white with the black vinyl top. The car is a driver quality car. It's got a couple of little chips and imperfections, as you can see here. You got a little bit.
Okay.
You got a little bit right here. And the biggest flaw of the car, a little bubble there. It's a hard bubble, but nonetheless, it's there. Looks like a little bit there. Overall, it's a nice car. This car drives exceptional. It's one of the best driving classics I've had in a long time. Handles the road great, suspension's good. It's a real solid car. You're not going to win any races. This just got a little 350 under the hood. And what I mean by this is one of the best driving cars, because this is not something you got to get on and, you know, it's a 4-speed and you're out racing and it's big cammed up and it's, you know, boom, 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 boom. This is a cruiser. Factory bench seat. It's a column shift car. It is a Malibu. It's a solid one. Brand new radial tires. It's got a nice set of rallies on it, and overall it's clean. Clean inside, outside, and overall just a nice car. Visit us on the web at bobevansclassics.com or give us a call. You can Google our number. We offer free shipping anywhere in the United States of America. So if you're interested in this car, we will ship it to you for free. It's open shipping. If you are a paid subscriber on Instagram, we have a platform where we charge $20 a month. You get free enclosed, and you get access to these cars before they hit YouTube. Go to our Instagram page at Bob Evans Classics and go ahead and join our Instagram program. If you want to subscribe for free on YouTube, you can do that right now. Subscribe and you will see all of our cars. If they are not sold, they come up on YouTube. Last things last, guys. We offer financing on a car like this. $3,500 down, sign and drive. You put $3,500 down, low monthly payments, and you can have the car reduced. Let's take a quick look under the hood before we end our video, just so you guys can see what it's got, and we will start it up. Factory AC, power brakes, power steering, small 350, but it starts up good, drives good. It's a very solid driver. We got 95,000 miles on the odometer. The gas gauge works. The clock does not work. What's your fire tool? Let's go under the hood and listen to it. Alright guys, give us a call today or go on our webpage, bobevansclassics.com. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the United States of America. Remember, if you're a veteran, you get $1,000 off plus free shipping enclosed anywhere in the United States. Talk to you guys later. God bless the USA.